Hey everybody, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. This channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. Today we're going to talk about how to install Kali Linux 2023.2 in VirtualBox. First of all, we need to download the Kali Linux image file. I'll put the link in the description of the video. Now open VirtualBox and click on New. After that, click on Export Mode, then give a name to your virtual machine. I will name it Kali Linux 2023. Now select the folder where you want to create this VM. I'll go into the D directory and I will create a new folder here. Now we have to select the ISO image file. Click on the drop down arrow and go to directory where you have the ISO image file. After that, select the type Linux, and for the version, go for Debian 64. Now click on the hardware section. Here I will give the base memory of around 4 GB. This memory is RAM. For processors, I will go with 2. Now click on hard drive section. From here, assign the directory where you want to keep the VM file. I will leave it as it is. Now assign the hard disk space as per your liking. I will go for around 40 GB. We are done here. Click on finish. Now select your newly created VM. Right click on it and go to its settings. Or you can go to its settings by clicking on the settings icon at the top. From here we can configure the hardware settings. For example, under the system section, we can change the RAM size, processor numbers, etc. Under the display section, we can increase or decrease the display memory. I will go for maximum here. The same goes for the storage section. So go through these and configure them as per your liking. Now let's start our VM. Click on the start button from the top ribbon or right click on the VM and click on start. From the new window, go for graphic install. Now select your preferred language. I'll go for English and click on continue. After that, select the location. I'll go for Canada and click on continue. Now we need to configure keyboard. I'll go for American English. The installation process has started. Here we need to give a name to our Kali Linux. I'll name it as Skill Build. Now we need to configure the network. Do not worry, leave it as it is and click on continue. Now we need to enter the name of the user. I'll go with SPT. After that, click on continue. Now enter the password, re-enter it to confirm. Now we need to select the time zone. After that, click on continue again. We are done here with all the configuration steps. Here it will ask you about the partition usage where you want to install this Linux distro. I'll go for the first option. Again, go for the first option, click on continue. Go for the default option here and click on continue. From here, select yes and click on continue. Now the installation process of Kali Linux in our VM has started. So let's wait for it to get completed. After that, click on continue. Here it is asking if we want to install the grub bootloader. I'll go with yes. Click on continue. We're done here with the installation. Click on continue here. Now the VM will restart. Here we need to enter the username and password. Hit enter and here we go. Kali Linux 2023.2 has been installed successfully. So that's it from this video. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.